From Divine Sistar of the Light, Raylene Brady. SIRIUS ISIS Blue Star KACHINA DNA activation. We are currently dismantling the confines and constraints of 3D linear time and duality reality by reclaiming and recalibrating our new but old light bodies. This is quintessentially what is occurring for all of humanity, despite your status, or whether one is conscious of this occurring or not. Purification through generating our sovereign plasmic codes releases the notion of warnings of extinction and Armageddon doomsday prophecy, exciting the mythos held in the cells to dance and zing as a shaking off of that which is static within elemental structures and our living, breathing reality. This is the true essence of Nether. Understanding the mechanisms of omnidimensional principles. Disillusion can only occur at the end if the elements at that stage are vibrating at the exact same rate of propulsion as that of its original inauguration. This is tricky business, as within linear time, separated consciousness, reality does not exactly appear to be the same at the end as in the beginning. But if the two states of being, that is Alpha and Omega, are looped back on themselves whilst holding consciousness of what operates beyond duality reality, they are instantly terminated from 3D subscope, which, as you are well aware, creates omnispace. You see, the lens of duality is the manifesto of atomic principles in matter. Otherwise, all coexists beyond entropic matter. This is also a form of suspended animation. The basis of our omni-nature and the principles governing this include the principles of anti-gravity techniques, also the disentanglement of karmic imprints and the collapsing of space and time relativity constraints, along with the opening of wormholes generated by our supra-consciousness directly interfacing with our spiritual and natural world. In this way, we're all instruments for spirit materializing through matter. The seeking of purpose, be it service to others or service to self, has us all ultimately on the same trajectory. Interestingly, service to others influences service to self. Service to self will still utilize the same gateways of pure love, gratitude, harmony in order to extract experience for themselves, and in so doing the source-coded vibrational reference point rub-off. In separation, the illusion of space-time is used as a medium for the development of the result of these choices freely made. In this way, ultimately, all entities learn no matter what they seek. Therefore, time may be a measure by speed of the outcomes being observed as either rapid or slow. In this manner, we can observe galactic entropy, or negentropy, within the natural laws and conditions governing stellar consciousness as fluid not set. As you know, the compounds of time-release factors are encrypted in the divinity held in nature. You also hold these in your DNA and genetic makeup. Gene ISIS, or Genesis, is a key code for this internally. Within the limitations of linear time and duality reality, polarity pull, one receives Genesis as being a one-off event. However, outside of linear time, genesis is perpetually occurring. As each of you recall many shared experiences with your soul groupings, you will be able to recognize or recognize the importance of what each of you carry for yourself and the earth, individually and collectively, beyond the notion of lifetimes being dictated from within the limitations of falsely introduced timeline constructs, inserts and inverts. Internal light spiraling is key in dismantling linear matrix limitations and quickening consciousness. The codex of the living libraries of Gaia Galactica are held within your own DNA patterning. Open the book and now glean. This is quintessential reading. Simultaneous release and recapture. The quintessence of our elemental nature, Nether, Go back, go forth, and bring it into now. May you reconfigure in time to activate individual and collective codal formulas. As the elements are metamorphosing within you now, co-creating a new seed coda for true earth and the collective consciousness of humanity. Raylene Brady.